say a little bit more about the beginnings of Tantra?
The beginnings?
Yeah, and how it's, as you said, a lot of people think it's confusing with the Kama Sutra, and just a lot of, there are even books that are talking about how to improve your sexual performance. And
Well,
you're
since, you know,
framing it differently.
since everything's sacred in Tantra, all that stuff's okay with us. But it started as, this is very doctoral program stuff. It started as, the idea is that there was worship of the goddess in the whole world. And the patriarchy started changing that. And some of the remnants were left in this pro-woman religion of Tantra. And that has persisted through the ages. It's always been a secret cult because, you know, for many parts of our human history, if you were pro-sex or a woman of power, you were murdered, basically, tortured. So the tantric sects were always considered bad, negative, and had to be secret. And the flowering now is different than what it used to be, but it was always this remnant of the goddess religion where women were the teachers, women's bodies were worshipped, sexuality was worshipped. All this was made by the patriarchal religions. All this was made sinful. Women's bodies, women were the cause of all suffering, you know. So Tantra has always said that's not our worldview.
So it was, I didn't realize it was a religion, and it started in India, and where?
Started in India. There was a tantric type religion in China called Taoism, and they also had some sexual practices. They had more of the rituals. There were tantric type outcroppings in many different cultures, but the main lineage that's most well known that's still going on is in India.
Where in India did it start?
Well, it started in Kashmir.